Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a wig review from Wiggins Hair. I'm showing you guys all of the goodies, of course, and shout out to them for sending over some good lashes in the package. So this is the wig that we are looking at today. This is a V-part wig in Kinky straight. It's 24 inches. I'm showing you guys up close of the texture. So yeah, the middle part of it is shaped like a V instead of a U, so that's the difference between a U part and a V part. This has more of a V shape. So I'm showing you guys, it has two clips around the V, it has two clips on the side, it has a clip like in the middle of the V too, then a clip in the back. So I'm gonna start by simply cutting off the extra little piece of fabric that was keeping the V part together, so now you can see even better. It looked like a V, and it's seamless so that you won't see any tracks or anything. And it's seamless so you won't see any tracks or anything when you're applying the V part wig. So this install is very easy because all you have to do is unclip the clips and then around your anchor braid, clip them in, and then make sure you press them closed. This is what my hair around my leave out looks like. As you can see, no tracks are showing. It looks very seamless, and then I'm just securing it with the clips on the side and in the back. Now I'm just going to part my leave out and brush it into the hair. Look how nicely already my hair is blending in with the Kinky straight, and I haven't even flat ironed it or anything. Like, the texture matches my texture perfectly. But of course we are going to definitely flat iron this hair. It is big hair, of course you can wear it like that straight out the pack, but y'all know I like more of a sleek look, so I am going to just straighten the hair all over. I'm using the comb chase method so that it can get as straight as possible. Now I'm adding a wax stick to my leave out, and then we're just going to straighten that as well. And I already added a heat protectant to it a little earlier before I blow dried it. Now I'm just brushing my hair in with the hair, and I like to use a hard bristle brush as well to help my hair blend in. I'm using my frizz buster. I'm adding a little bit of that and smoothing it over my hair and my leave out. Okay, y'all, this is the completed look. Like I said, this is kinky straight texture, and it is 24 inches. This hair is long, it has plenty of body, it has the perfect amount of luster, and it looks oh so natural. It looks oh so natural, but it really looks nice and it looks really cute, especially if you just want to add some length to your hair and you like having your own leave out. This is perfect for you, super easy and quick to install. So if you like this wig, I will definitely have the link to this V-part wig down below in the description. Thank you, Wiggins, for sponsoring this video. As always, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Don't slip on the trip.